Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this vlog is about Babbacombe, Cliff Railway and Oddicombe Beach. Babbacombe Cliff Railway, also known as the Babbacombe Cliff Lift, is a funicular railway in the town of Torquay in the English county of Devon. It links Babbacombe Downs with Oddicombe Beach. The line formerly ran every day between 9:30 and 17:30 with a closure period in winter for maintenance. Street parking is also available. If you don't want to take the funicular, there is also a walkway down to the beach. These are the prices. This is for one way, so you have to pay again for the way back. I have put the link in the description for the official website. This is the website page, and this is how it looks like. We are in the funicular, and the views from here are so alluring. Now we have reached to Oddicombe Beach. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe. This is a great beach for all ages, paddling for the young and a variety of water sports for the older and braver. Oddicombe has beach huts to rent, a well-stocked beach shop and a cafe. An English Riviera UNESCO Global Geopark key site with evidence of limestone having been dramatically twisted and turned by geological forces. The cliff top at Oddicombe has regressed by about 30 to 40 meters over time, with some dramatic landslides taking place affecting the coastal landscape below. You can also do some kayaking with a guide. These are the tour prices. There is a pathway which connects Oddicombe Beach to Babbacombe Beach. The pathway is very rocky, so you have to be very careful. Babbacombe Beach is a small sheltered shingle and pebble beach set beneath dramatic red cliffs in Torquay Devon. Known for its clear waters, it is popular for diving, fishing and sailing. Babbacombe Beach is a place with scenic views, and the beaches are a perfect place to relax. Babbacombe Beach is very quiet, and dogs are also allowed. From here you can see red cliffs of Oddicombe Beach. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe for more videos. Bye until the next vlog.